Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the error. Jupyter is not recognized as an internal or external command. This error usually appears when you attempt to open Jupyter Notebook from the command prompt by typing Jupyter Notebook, and Jupyter Notebook doesn't launch as expected. If you've installed Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda or with pip install Jupyter Notebook, there's another way to open it. You can search for Jupyter Notebook in your system's search bar, and it should be available to open directly from there. If you specifically want to launch Jupyter Notebook using the command prompt, here's a quick solution. First, locate Jupyter Notebook in your Start menu, right-click on it, and select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the shortcut is located. Right-click on the shortcut again, select Open File Location once more, and this will lead you to the actual installation folder of Jupyter Notebook. In this folder, you'll need to add the installation path to your environment variables. Within this Anaconda 3 folder, there are two main paths you need to add to your environment variables. To start, find the Anaconda 3/scripts folder and copy the path. Next, locate the Anaconda 3 Library, bin folder and copy this path as well. With these paths copied, go to your system's Start menu, search for Environment Variables and open it. In the Environment Variables window, find the Path variable, click Edit, and in the list that appears, click New to add a new path. Paste the first path, confirm, and repeat these steps to add the second path. Finally, click OK in all open windows to save the changes. Now, close the command prompt, reopen it, and try typing Jupyter Notebook again. This time, Jupyter Notebook should open without any errors, launching in your browser at localhost. Alternatively, you can still search for Jupyter Notebook directly and open it without needing to use the command prompt. Either method works, so feel free to use whichever is more convenient. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.